Imagine buying a home without stepping foot inside. I mean, you can explore every corner, every room, wow, being on your couch. Yeah, you heard me right. Virtual reality and augmented reality is going to be a huge thing when it comes to real estate. It is truly the future of real estate. And today we're going to talk a little bit about what that looks like as we really go into this AI world and go into 2025 and what to kind of expect from virtual reality and augmented reality. Let's get into it. So VR. So VR is going to be virtual reality. So if you hear me say that, that is what I'm referring to. VR is going to be so great for out-of-state clients, for international clients, because if you don't want to commute to actually see the property, you'll be able to actually walk through the home. I actually saw something on Instagram that it is a huge warehouse where you're able to go and walk a 3D model of a home. I mean, you can put the furniture how you want it to be. You can do your walkways to see if that actually matches your family's needs. I saw it on there, and I believe it's only in the UK right now. If I can find that Instagram video, I will go ahead and show you guys here. However, I mean, it's going to be so great for shopping to know what things are going to look like so you can see your vision come to life without actually purchasing it. VR is going to really take real estate and I think expedite it. It's going to be very easy to purchase a property and know exactly what you're getting. My goal is actually to start playing and dabbling in the VR recording to make sure that I'm ahead of the game. So someone actually could be able to put on their VR goggles and actually walk through a home tour with me, or even like if I decided to do I go into a store and I video a couple of different products that I like. Because right now I'm redoing my living room and my master bedroom, and it'd be so awesome if I was able to already walk through. Maybe that'll be the first project. I will do my master bedroom and I will create it as a VR recording so you're able to see the vision of how I want my bedroom to look, which is very luxurious and very intimate, very moody, very hotel luxury vibes that I'm going to be doing for that bedroom. But VR is going to take real estate by storm, and I believe it's going to truly help a lot of buyers. And if you're anything like me, AR is a little different, augmented of reality. It is basically when you see those videos on Instagrams and they flick up and you can see the screen in front of you, that is augmented reality. So it will help enhance with creating what exactly you want to see right in front of you. And you can also show clients, hey, this is the floor plan. See, and you can move and shift and shape. Literally, we're gonna be living in the future. There's so many movies that I have watched where they shoot it out in front of you and then you're able to click. And that is gonna be our reality before we know it, guys. I mean, technology is moving faster than we really can keep up with. Because how many of you guys have actually mastered AI? I'm in the process of continuing to learn AI, get ahead of AI, and use it as a true tool. Okay, so let's get to the meat of things. So what is VR and AR gonna be benefiting for the buyers and the sellers? I've already given you some examples for some buyers. So anyone who is relocating, they're out-of-state, international clients that are wanting to buy here, it's gonna be huge for you so you don't have to commute to come all the way down here. So many times my investors will buy sight unseen. Well, this will actually give them more confidence in their purchase. What as an agent, I am going to learn and love VR because it's gonna help me be able to show clients multiple properties at the same exact time in a little bit of seconds, which is going to be able to cut down on driving time. I will say it will cut down on the relationship that we do gain when we go look at all the homes. And usually it takes about 7 houses to actually find the one. And so I believe that it will make my job easier, but it also will kind of minimize our relationship. And that's what real estate's all about. It's all about relationship building because, let's be honest, there's so many realtors out here. It really matters about who you like, know, and trust. And that boils down to who do you have a relationship with, or who do you have a relationship with that refers you to someone that they have a relationship with. That's typically how I get all my business and more. I do believe that it will help us list properties faster, sell properties faster, because now we don't have to go off of everyone's schedule, making sure that everything syncs. It's like, oh, you love this house? Well, great. They actually have a VR video on it. Here, take a look at it, walk through, let me know what you think. And if you actually want to physically go and walk and make sure it feels like home, we can. It's going to cut down on a lot of time. It's going to be very convenient, but once again, it is going to eliminate that that search, that hunt when it comes to finding the one as far as a house. But for my sellers, you're gonna be grateful, because people are not gonna have to come in and out of your house as you are trying to sell your property. So it could be a win-win for both parties. As we continue through the future of AI, I believe AI is going to create where there are gonna be AI tours of a property where people can actually get a true vibe or a true feeling, because that's what home is. My clients, I'll tell you this, I can line them all up. Anyone that has ever bought with me said that they walked in the house and they felt that it was right. Buying a home is it's a feeling, it's emotions. And so you will kind of lose that when you're doing a VR, video walkthrough versus physically going to the house. So I'm not saying that we're going to eliminate going to the house itself. I do think that it'll cut down on the houses that you actually see, because you can walk through and actually see, oh, this actually doesn't work for my family, or this works perfect for my situation. This also is going to make you have to make quicker decisions. It's going to make you have to really stay on your game of like, hey, I know the market. Is my agent keeping me updated on the market? Am I pre-approved? Which you should be pre-approved before you look at any house anyways. And when I find the one, can I jump on it? Because by it being more convenient for more people to see the property from using, AR and VR, houses are gonna fly off the market. I mean, right now we're at an average of like 37 days on market. I believe when AI-driven home tours and VR and AR come into effect, we will start seeing within seconds of homes getting offers within I would say within hours of homeowners accepting offers. So you will have to be on your A game and ready to go. And I know if you're anything like me, or if you're older than me, you're probably like, I mean, this seems very fictional. It doesn't seem real. But this is the times that we are living in. I mean, there is so much technology that is just evolving so fast. So my advice to you is to continuously, of course, subscribe to this channel so that you know the future of real estate, market updates, and me just giving tips and tricks and what to do in the DFW area. Because if you do not stay educated, guys, you will be left behind when it comes to real estate. And I think this will be great too, because it'll help more investors, more people just jump into the game faster. I will say that it's gonna make inventory though, guys. It's gonna go so fast, but I trust that when that time comes, we'll have some things in place where it regulates, so we give a chance for everyone to be able to see a home for a certain amount of hours on the market. VR and AR will not just affect real estate, it will affect every industry. I think that it's going to take YouTube videos or videos in general to the next level. Amazon affiliation things, like there's so many links that we do, which I can link my Amazon storefront below, where I can tell you about all my home finds and all the things. However, it's going to help you making purchases feel more authentic, because you can be able to almost put it on, or like see it on you, or like, ooh, this home or this shirt actually runs small. These shoes run smaller than I would think. It's going to affect every industry. So if you are a content creator, if you are a realtor, or if you're someone who is just in any industry, just know that VR and AR are going to take every industry and elevate it. So make sure you stay up to date. I trust that this has brought you value. I know that the future of real estate is forever changing, and it's very volatile. It's just like the economy. Each day it is different. So make sure you stay up to date with all things. Of course, if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, and you are looking for a trusted realtor, I am your person. I would love if you schedule a strategy session so I can help you from where you are to where you want to be. Until next time, I'll see you then. Peace.
Oh my gosh, there she is. It's Keyra Ford. Keyra Ford. You don't know what? Never heard? Oh my gosh, she slays every time.